don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So first you have to use 4 special keys. We have here a radio 2 removal set, and we'll use the Audi keys. You can find a radio 2 removal set like this in the video description below. Insert those 4 keys in that 4 holes from the SAT navigation head unit. Insert the keys with a flat edge on the outside and push it until you hear the click. You have to insert the 4th key after you have folded down the SAT navigation display. So press on the button and then insert the 4th key in the left corner. Then you can pull the 2 keys to take it out. Then remove the 4th key after you remove the SAT navigation to avoid scratching the display that will close automatically. Then remove the other keys. You just have to press on that tab to remove it from the side. I will show you later how to remove the keys. Then remove the sat nav and then disconnect the cables from the back. Press on that tab to remove the cable. Then pull that cable. Also press on the tab to remove the cable. Remove the harness, squeeze the 2 plastic parts, then pry it out. Let me show you how you remove the harness. You just have to squeeze those plastic parts and then take it out. Then lift it up and take it out. So this is the sat nav. So if you want to remove the keys, you just have to press on that tab and then while you're pressing, pull the key out. Now you can remove the AC panel. So remove the AC control panel by pushing it from behind. And then lift it up and take it out. Then take a flat blade screwdriver and remove the cables from the back. Press on that tab and then remove it. On that cable you have to squeeze those two tabs and take it out. You can use a flat blade screwdriver to remove it. And then take the control panel out. So this is it. So if you want to remove the part from the back, you just have to remove those 4 screws with the T10 Torx. So there's one over there, 2 on the bottom side, there's also 2 screws over there. If you want us to do a specific video tutorial with Audi, let us know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.